that will be it. So I begin over here, and please keep in mind though, these are not like working drawing dimensions. These are just things to make me feel like an architect and to remind me the size of each space and their proportion to the overall space. I will do that so that it influences better my other design decisions. I don't know if that makes a lot of sense to a lot of us. Alright, so anyone else here hungry? Oh my god. Quite a silent time, I think. And you know what really annoying thing? The secret about me. Repetitive tasks like this keep me sleepy, and if you heard the noise that the chair was making, then you would understand that I just stood up, to retain consciousness. I get very sleepy once I start doing any repetitive tasks like dimensioning where my brain is not too active. It's just like, doing and redoing the same set of thing over and over and over again. If you're like that, just vibe with me in the comments, and at least I won't feel so weird. I know that, there's people like us who exist. Okay, I think basic dimensioning that shows a lot of what is going on in this design exists now. Right here to here. The sleep is real. Alright, so the next thing I want to do is to dimension this plan. So I said to dimension, to furnish, to introduce furniture. If you've been following my channel, you would agree with me that it's not something I easily overlook in my plans. Okay, so for the furnishing to begin, I'm going to go start at the kitchen. In the Archicad default furniture pack, I'm going to search for kitchen. I'm going to work with this kitchen layout to make sure that I don't have any tall cabinets, so change this to 0. Then is it going to be a U-shaped kitchen? Yeah, U-shaped kitchen can work in there. Then what accessories do I want? I want a cooktop with a hood. I want a refrigerator. I want sink. I want a dishwasher, a washer and oven. I'll take away the washer. The dishwasher is enough. Oven. Alright, I'm not going to be too particular about the surfaces till I get to Lumion, so for now I think I am done here. I'm just gonna change this one, it's still what it is. So come over here and so now I'm going to rotate it, turn it, bring it from here to here, maybe mirror it. Remember, mirroring doesn't work while I'm recording videos. Alright, so bring this from here to here, bring this to here, bring this to here as 1, 2. Alright, so the two components, drag them individually. I love the sink being by the window side so there's maximum visibility while one is washing. The dishwasher is also going to be positioned here. Okay. So the sink is going to shift in a bit so it doesn't coincide fully with the dishwasher. The cooktop is going to come over here. I think one of these is the oven. The oven and the cooktop are more or less siblings, so I'll keep them side by side. Then I think this is the refrigerator. Alright, so I'm just going to change their positions a bit. I'm back to being seated. I hope I don't feel sleepy again soon. I drop this here, move this inwards, move this, in. Alright, one other thing is you guys would have observed that the colors of the dimensions are greenish. And by the way, that thing we have up there, I don't want it, so the wall cabinet I'm also going to make it 0. I don't want one of those. So I'm going to say okay to this, and then adjust the fridge to this side, okay. So what do we have? I think this is the first one opening these 3D scenes. This very job began. Yeah. Okay, so I said this is appearing greenish. To change that, I'm going to go to the floor plan section, override the pens and switch it to something less conspicuous. Okay. Alright, so now that I've done this, I don't think this is properly positioned. Drag it out a bit. Yeah, should be about here. Okay, I'm going to repeat the same thing for the lounge. I'm going to use a sofa. Anyone who has seen me do furnishing before knows that I love this sofa. Alright, so I'm going to switch this in its representation to excuse me, I'll be back in a minute. Alright, I'm listening to you. Alright, I think I was actually going for a while. I'm going to switch the materials of this seating to textile 01, okay, this as well to textile 01. Then I'm going to make the foot kind of goldish, so I think I'll go with like gold or bronze. Alright, I'm gonna place this here for now. I will later come in for the arrangement. I'll do one more thing, and that's come over here and then override this and, you know, use this as I did in the other one. And I think I'll go for a deeper grey, close to black, rather than one that feels so faded like this. I'm going to adjust these guys on, by the way, okay, and then place this one. Okay, I need to take a call again. I will be back again. Alright, I'm back once again. So I have this sofa. I'm going to get another sofa similar. It's gonna be this one, and I'm going to, you know, retain the same uniform color as the rest. I love the oblique legs, by the way. So I'm gonna stick with this. Come over here, switch this to textile 01 and this to textile 01 as well. And oh, the foot. Alright, so the leg goes to gold and yeah. Now keep in mind that by default, Archicad items usually hover. I don't know why they keep everything 100 above. Please always try to ensure that you switch yours to 0, unless of course you have a composite that accounts for that. By the way, Archicad's default set of composites, both for the walls, the slabs, they actually account for that, and this is not gonna feel like it's hanging. But if you usually switch the slab to something generic, then you will want something like this. Alright, so with this, alright, let's find a TV. A TV stand first of all. This guy, yeah, seems just alright. It's not gonna give any further adjustments to it, so just gonna place it here. Then a TV in and of itself, then I could, you know, now arrange that. I want a wall mount